Hello, I'm Larry with FGSL Woodworks. Welcome to my channel. Today we begin work on this beautiful Ethan Allen coffee table. You are seeing this piece as I received it, so all of that sanding has not been done by me. One of the challenges faced by woodworkers who do refinishing and restorative work is receiving a piece of furniture that the client has started, then they realized it was either too much for them, unsure of how to strip the intricate details, or wouldn't have the time required to disassemble, strip, sand, restain, and finish the piece. Today we start preparations to strip this coffee table by disassembling all the parts. This allows me to go over every detail to see if there's anything broken, and if there's any missing pieces I'll have to order. We start by removing all the hardware from the doors, the hinges, doorknobs, any parts that keep the door closed. Now you can see at one point I separated the wood piece that was broken. I'm going to try and use that piece to repair that side panel if I can. If not, then I will make a special video that's showing you how to repair something like that. Now we need to flip the table on its side so that we can access the bolts and the screws that are holding the base on. Now it's time to unscrew and unbolt the base. I noted that two of the bolts holding on the spindles are missing nuts, so I'll have to order a couple of them. Once we have separated the base, it's now time for the center section. There are a series of wood strips to be removed so we can gain access to the piece that holds the spindles. After we remove the strips, now we can access the panels that are for the cabinet. So here's a situation where I'm going to make a separate video. It'll be part of the Sunday shorts, so be looking for it in the future. It's how to remove a wood screw from a board when it just doesn't want to come out. And I will show you how to take care of that. On this particular piece, there are screws that are holding a frame, which is where the spindles are attached to. They're attached to the frame. So once we unscrew that, then we'll be able to pick the frame up and access where the spindles are. Also, the screws that we're removing from that frame are actually going to be put to the side because they're a different length than the other screws that was holding the base on. After removing the frame, then I'm looking over the spindles, and you can see one of the spindles has a crack in it, so I will have to repair that before I even start to sand. That way, the sanding that I do will get rid of any residual glue or anything else that would show up from staining. Now I'm going through and I'm making sure I have all my pieces. I'm inventorying everything, separating the screws and the nuts and the bolts and the pieces. And that's all the preparation we have for today. This has been Larry with FGSO Woodworks. If you like my content and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And as always, have a blessed day.